In this video, I'm going to tell you why silver and gold is a lucrative hobby. If you are watching this video, you are probably already aware or familiar with my channel that I am not only a stacker, which is somebody who buys silver and gold and just kind of hoards it away for future purposes like retirement, but I'm also somebody who is always buying and selling silver and gold for profit. Now, I have told people in many different videos, people within the Instagram community and people who comment on my YouTube videos, I've told them that buying and selling of silver and gold is a very lucrative hobby. Stacking is a hobby which you know, right? It's almost like a form of collecting. It's a very unique type of hobby because not only is it, buying, silver, like some of this constitutional stuff here, right? And some of the slab stuff, right? You got constitutional silver. This is kind of like the raw stuff, ungraded. This is just, you're buying this just for the silver content. This is kind of more of like a numismatic play where you're buying this, speculating on the fact that maybe it's going to go up in value. And then at a future date, you'll be able to sell it for a profit. Gold, right? Just gold bullion, just for a kind of like a savings mechanism, semi-speculative, right? Because you're buying this hoping and counting on the fact that eventually one day the value of the silver or gold that you are buying is actually going to increase in value. I mean, you look at the historical charts and we have seen what silver and gold have done. But how is this hobby lucrative? Why silver and gold? Right? Why is this a lucrative hobby? Here's the thing. I'm a person of many different interests, right? Scuba dive. I like to travel. I enjoy running. I do enjoy art, music. I play piano. I have my YouTube channel. I have my website. I almost, in a way, seem to have like ADHD when it comes to interests. Trooping, which is, a form of, wearing, it's, I guess, like cosplay, where I do different charity events dressed as a stormtrooper, right? Make-A-Wish Foundation. I do this with the 501st Legion, Make-A-Wish, Toys for Tots. There's a lot of different charitable events that the 501st Legion would make appearances for. But anyhow, I digress. I have a lot of different interests. And maybe 4 years ago, I also was in a rock cover band, and that was a lot of fun because I would play in local bars and different events with a bunch of different guys, and we would play classic rock. But, that was a lot of fun. We weren't doing that to make money, but that was something that I did for a couple of years, and I invested a lot of time and money into that hobby, and I walked away with nothing, right? I didn't walk away with anything, right? In fact, any money that we made on the different gigs, we reinvested back into the band, whether it be audio equipment or marketing materials, whatever. But silver and gold is very, very different. Silver and gold, at least for me, has afforded me the ability to increase my stack and my overall wealth, as well as if you watch my YouTube studio video, where I show off my studio, and not when I say show off, not being a show off, but I show the viewers what my studio looks like and the different bits of equipment that I have. It was all paid for the buying and selling of precious metals. And I am no different than many of you watching this video. I am just, I would say this on a lot of my videos, I'm just a guy in a bucket talking about precious metals. A lot of you who are familiar with my channel, you know that I am a teacher. I was actually in sales prior to getting into education, but I've been in education now for the last decade. And as you know, teachers do not really make a lot of money. So silver and gold was always something that I was interested in. I was fascinated by it. The coins are beautiful. You have a sense of accomplishment holding this in your hand because you know that this represents money, right? This is real money. Right now we're standing at, around $1,900, $2,000 an ounce on gold. So you know that there's a sense of accomplishment with accumulating silver and gold. And I tell people all the time, reasons why silver and gold is a lucrative hobby. It's because you, are saving your money, right? Instead of going and buying, I don't know, whatever hobbies you're into, right? Let's say you're into skiing, right? Skiing, great sport, fun, but, good exercise, but it costs a lot of money, right? You got the lift tickets, the travel, the equipment, lodging, depending on where you are, right? Food, lessons, if you have kids, if you suck at skiing and you need lessons, right? There's a lot that goes along with it. And the reason why I haven't gotten into skiing in a long time is because it costs a ton of money. But anyhow, silver and gold, right? You take your cash, right? This stuff, and you're parking it into this form, and you still, have the same wealth, if not more, because over time, right? We know with inflation, the dollar is decreasing in value, but silver and gold continue to maintain the buying power. So for me, this is a hobby that is very lucrative because not only am I saving my money in this form, but because I am buying and selling silver and gold for profit, I am able to make more money and accumulate more silver and gold and rinse and repeat. It's been a different angle for my channel. A lot of you know I make the educational videos. That's what we call evergreen content, which is there just as like a resource for people searching on YouTube or on Google for topics that I'm covering and other people in the stacking community are covering. But because I have the auctions, I have my Instagram, I do have my website in which I'm selling my precious metals, silver and gold has become a good, lucrative hobby. And I cannot recommend this hobby more to people than I am already doing. I'm devoting an entire channel. I'm spending so much of my time making these videos, buying and selling silver and gold, getting it into the hands of the viewers. And I can't stress it enough to my friends and my family. I'm always telling them, you should buy silver and gold. In fact, as I was filming this video, my brother-in-law sent me a picture of this place in the city where it was a donut shop, and there was a picture of, I guess there was a stormtrooper helmet in there. And I sent him a picture of the silver and gold. And I said, when are you going to buy some of this stuff, right? He's got mining stocks and ETFs, but I'm trying to get my family members to buy the physical stuff. My one good friend, I convinced him to buy some silver and gold, and I went with him to the coin shop, and he dropped some money on some coins. And I feel better knowing that he has silver and gold in his possession. It's kind of funny, too, because he bought the silver and gold and then he puts it away in his safe or whatever. And I texted him, I would say a few days later, I'm like, do you feel better now that you have silver and gold in your possession? He's like, I don't really care. And so, I guess it's with the knowledge of silver and gold and the people that know what this means that you kind of feel better, that you could rest better and more easily at night knowing that you have silver and gold, right? So, how silver and gold can pull you. So those are some of the reasons why silver and gold is a lucrative hobby, right? It's got the savings built into it. You can speculate on it. You've got the numismatic aspect to it, right? This is the stuff that's graded and slabbed, and this is used mainly for speculation. You're going to sell this in a future time for more than you paid for it, right? Kind of similar to the same train of thought of like comic books and sports cards and art even, right? Same kind of thinking there. The difference too, though, is that silver and gold is actual money, right? It's actual legal tender money, right? This is $50 right there, right? Buffalo, $50. Just really, really beautiful stuff. Actually, hold on a second. Right there. I thought I saw a scratch. So those are some of the reasons why silver and gold is a lucrative hobby. Again, these are just my opinions, but if you have other ideas as to why or reasons why you think silver and gold is a lucrative hobby, please put your comments down below. And I just want to quickly thank these elite channel supporters. And if you haven't become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. Check out these videos. Until next time, long live the Empire.